Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 teenagers, and I have 2 cats and a little pug named Sammy. You'll see him in this video. He is always in my videos. He's adorable. Today I have some cleaning motivation for you. I'm going to be cleaning my entire first floor from the front all the way to the back. I am even doing the windows and the blinds, which I usually don't show in my videos, but today I was like, you know what? You guys get to see me do all the fun stuff.
It's so soft to know that if I keep living in the past, I'll never really make it back. I'll never get to hold you how I meant to. I'm saying hey, hey, hey.
I'm using e-cloth and plain water to clean my windows. It does an amazing job. If you're interested, they are linked in my Amazon store in my description box. And also, I am so thankful that I have the windows that I can clean the outside from inside because it is a cold day.
Just give me a yes or no. Just give me a yes or no. Won't you let me love you? Just give me a yes or no.
Using this Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the lilac scent, and I'm going to be cleaning my windowsills and my woodwork in the room, and let me tell you, it smells so good. It smells like spring.
I can show you now how I've been running out of things to think about in between my dreams of you and me. I'm saying hey, hey, hey.
I'm using my Ride or Die, my Method wood cleaner. I love it so much, and I am glad that I picked a centerpiece that is easily moved, because this table is always and forever getting rearranged for my kids' Dungeons and Dragons, for my husband to work at the table when he is home, or whatever craft project my daughter is working on at the time.
Sing a song about never letting go. I'm saying hey, 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 won't you let me love you? Just give me a yes or no. Just give me a yes or no. Won't you let me love you? Just give me a yes or no.
I am going to be using this baking soda on my area rugs just so it can get a little refresh. I'm going to spread them on this one, the one in the living room, and by my back door, and then I'm just going to leave it and vacuum it later. I'm also going to use this Method bathroom cleaner and spray it and let it set while I work on another area of my house.
Don't work no more. When your feet can't feel the floor.
This is what happens when I do not do my evening routine. The dishes just pile up, and I just haven't been feeling well lately. Been getting a lot of migraines. I know I've been complaining about that. Hopefully I will be not having to deal with them anytime soon. But yeah, if I don't do my normal routines, the whole house gets out of whack.
Won't you come with me on a journey to a place where the waves never end?
loving the Mrs. Meyer's mint scent dish soap. It is so good. It just smells so fresh. I don't know. I'm just loving these spring scents. What is your favorite Mrs. Meyer spring scent?
Filled with your glow, I wish the time would hesitate to know this is our fate. We'll move fast, but we dance so slow. Won't you
I feel like the cabinet underneath the sink gets the most wear and tear. There is always spills, always something on that cabinet. Process always starts with my magic daily cleaner. I like to get all the crumbs off so I can actually see which spots I need to work on with my Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser. This stuff is amazing. I am so glad that I purchased it. And yeah, always need a little elbow grease. I'm using the Method Anti-Bac and the Citron scent this time. I ran out of my wildflower and my Target did not have it in stock, so I just grabbed the Citron scent and I really enjoy it. It smells really fresh.
Take a seat, sit down, please just hear me out. We were younger than prisoners of doubt. So much.
Love having these disinfecting wipes for the bathroom. I like cleaning with them. I am just wiping off a lot of the Method foaming cleaner that I previously had sprayed on, and yeah, just giving it a good old disinfect.
Go just like winter snow. Still I do recall your face through it all. You were my best friend. This is not the end.
I usually don't show this, but I'm washing my hands after cleaning the toilet off so that I can clean my sink and my mirror. And yeah, I just figured since I don't use gloves and I usually wash my hands, I would show you that I'm washing my hands.
I'll be waiting for you with my eyes wide open. I'll be waiting for you with my eyes wide open. And I'll be
Recently painted my piano. That is a story highlight on my Instagram if you're interested in that process. I am loving the new Light and Bright. As always, I gotta give some love to my Sammy. I never want to disturb him when he's snoring on the couch, so I usually just let him curl up in the blankets and I fix the blankets later.
That was our goodbye. We can both decide to leave it all behind. Forgive me, I forgave you. Is it too late? Is there any way to start again?
Here is where I'm going to go around and vacuum up all that baking soda that I had put on the carpets earlier. Vacuuming the stairs is always my kids' chores, but I don't mind doing it with this little handheld Dyson. It kind of makes it a little bit fun.
I'll be waiting for you with my eyes wide open. I'll be waiting for you with my eyes wide open, and I'll be waiting.
Always use hot water, vinegar, and a dash of dish soap in my mopping solution. It leaves my floors so shiny and residue free. There's something about it with a mopping bucket. It's like old-fashioned, but I feel like it just really gets the job done.
I need a change desperately. I thought love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go. Never gonna let you go. Until we're both
I won't show you guys when I change my water in my videos, but my house usually takes two buckets of water. I don't know, I feel like I get halfway done and my water is already dirty, so I change the water out so that I can always mop with fresh water.
when I thought love was a lost art.
Hopefully you got some cleaning motivation from this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Wednesday, Friday, and I make my Ray Dunn haul every single Sunday.
I'm not sure I can get up, so I'll find a way to stand until the light of day. I need a change desperately. I thought love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go. Never gonna let you go. Until we're both on toes, running out for love. You were never the open arms when I thought love was a lost art.
If I slow